Okay. About a maid, I'll sing a song, sing rickety-tickety-tin. About a maid, I'll sing a song, who didn't have her family long. Not only did she do them wrong, she did every one of them in. She did every one of them in. Her mother she could never stand, sing rickety-tickety-tin. Her mother she could never stand, and so a cyanide soup she planned. Her mother died with a spoon in her hand, and a gurgling sound from within, a gurgling sound from within. She weighted her father down with stones, sing rickety-tickety-tin. She weighted her father down with stones and sent him off to Davy Jones. Talk about taking the last train to Clarksville. All they ever found were some bones and occasional pieces of skin, occasional pieces of skin. She set her sister's hair on fire, sing rickety-tickety-tin. She set her sister's hair on fire, and as the smoke and flames rose higher, she danced around the funeral pyre. 'Cause she never had wanted a twin, she never had wanted a twin. One day when she had nothing to do, sing rickety-tickety-tin. One day when she had nothing to do, she cut her baby brother in two. She served him up in a real Irish stew. I love Irish stew! And invited the neighbors in, invited the neighbors in. And when at last the police came by, sing rickety-tickety-tin. And when at last the police came by, her little friend she did not deny. To do so she would have had to lie. And lying she knew was a sin, and lying she knew was a sin.
Where is it? Where'd he go?